Hi, I am Ben. This channel is about my thoughts and experiences of investment and trading. Hope these videos can help you to know investment and trading more. I will be very grateful if you subscribe my channel. If you have any question or opinion, please leave your comment. Thank you. I have mentioned that the better way to manage your fund is allotting 70% of your fund in long-term investment, the rest 30% for short-term trading. The advantage of short-term trading is that you will have more flexibility for the fund transaction. But the short-term trading is very different from long-term investment. It needs more skills and steady mind. Comparing to long-term investment, market graph chart is much more important for short-term trading. More than 90% of traders, no matter professional ones or rookie ones, usually use candlestick chart. If you are a trader, I believe you are very familiar with candlestick chart. Now let's reveal the magic power of candlestick together. Today, I want to share the most simple but also most important thing on trading chart, candlestick. I will explain these 5 points. 1. Why candlestick is the most important thing on the chart. 2. What can we know from a candlestick? 3. A long wick candlestick has significant meaning. 4. Who are the winners? Buyers or sellers? 5. How I get profit by simply observing candlestick pattern. 1. Why candlestick is the most important thing on the chart? Because you can see the essential of market. Before we start, please open your trading chart. Does it look like this? So many technical indicators. You have MVA, Bollinger Bands, MACD on your chart? Yes, I get it. I did the same when I started to do trading. I assumed indicators can help me get profit easily, so I add many indicators on my chart. A chart which is full of indicators made me feel confident and safe. But after a while, I found out it confused me and I always lost money in my trading. Then I realized that the market shows the power from buyers and sellers. Whenever buyers have more strength, price rise. In the opposite, if the sellers have more power, the price fall. It's the basic but important information for trading. But most of time, we focus on technical indicators too much, so we often ignore the thing which can clearly show the essential of market, the candlestick. 2. What can we know from a candlestick? 4 prices and the power of buyers and sellers. We can see 4 prices from a candlestick: open price, close price, high price and low price. If it's an up candle, the close price is higher than open price, so the bottom of the candle body is the open price and the top is the close price. If it's a down candle, which means the close price is lower than open price. Therefore the top of candle body is open price and the bottom is close price. No matter up or down candle, the 2 ends of the wick represent the high and low prices. We can easily find out the power of buyers and sellers from a candlestick. Let's see some examples. This is a 4-hour chart. We can see candle A's close price is lower than open price, which means it's a down candle. And its close price is lower than the lowest price of the previous candle B. This shows that the seller's strength has been stronger than the buyer's in the previous 4 hours. Let's look at candle C. This candle has a long top wick. It tells us that the price had risen to a very high in the last 4 hours, but the price was pushed down much before the price was closed. It obviously shows that the sellers had considerable strength against the buyers. Now let's check candle D. Although its close price is lower than its open price, which means it's a down candle, but there is a long bottom wick of it. This represents the price had fallen to very low, but the buyer's strength pushed the price upwards much. These basic meanings about a candle are very simple but important. Unfortunately, they are often overlooked, so whether you are a rookie trader or have been trading for a long while, be sure to remind yourself watching the candle pattern all the time. Now, let's take a little break. You can take these few seconds to click the subscribe button below. Thank you for the support. 3. A long wick candlestick has significant meaning. Check the next candlestick next to a long wick candlestick. We can determine the probability of a trend reversal. When a long top wick candlestick appears at the top of an uptrend, it usually means that buyers have run out of strength and sellers are starting to show strength. In opposite, if the long bottom wick candlestick appears at the bottom of a downtrend, it means that sellers are tired and buyers have more strength. However, we cannot conclude that the trend will definitely change just by the appearance of a long wick candlestick, because sometimes news or the release of data can cause big price fluctuations in a short period of time, which can also complete the pattern of a long wick candlestick. In this kind of situation, the market usually will return to its original trend soon. The safer approach is to wait for the next candlestick and confirm its pattern before making a trading strategy. Let's look at a few examples. In this case we see candlestick A has a long top wick at the top of the uptrend, accompanied by a down candlestick B with a very long body, indicating that sellers are showing strong strength, so the uptrend may be about to end and turn into a downtrend. Indeed, it followed by a downward move in price. Let's look at candlestick C. Although it also has a long top wick at the top in an uptrend, but the second candlestick D is a up candlestick, which means that although sellers' strength was once greater than buyers, but buyers soon took the lead again and the uptrend continued. Then we see that candlestick E, a long bottom wick candlestick at the bottom of a downtrend, followed by a very long up body candlestick F. This shows the real strength of buyers, and then the price does move up. Candlestick G is a long bottom wick 1 at the bottom of the downtrend, followed by a up candlestick H which has a long top wick, showing that buyers' strength doesn't consist long enough to reverse the trend, so the price remained on the downward trend. The most important is to note that the long top wick candlestick must be at the top of an uptrend to be meaningful, while the long bottom wick candlestick must be at the bottom of a downtrend to imply a trend reversal. So don't rush into trading as you see a long wick candlestick. Please always observe the subsequent candlestick pattern before deciding your trading strategy. 4. Who are the winners? Buyers or sellers? Market shows the battle between buyers and sellers, and winners have the power to control the trend, so we only need to check the candlestick pattern to see who are winning, and that will help us determine the trend in further. Before I start this paragraph, I would like to remind you the most important point again. The pattern of a candlestick represents the power of buyers and sellers over a specific period of time. Of course, a specific period of time depends on what kind of time frame chart you are looking at. If you are looking at 1 hour chart, then this period of time refers to the past hour. If you are looking at the daily chart, then each candle represents the power of buyers and sellers over the past 24 hours. Since we can check the candle patterns to see who have more power, we can determine the probability of the following trend. Then plan our trading strategy. No, you don't need to add any technical analysis indicators to your trading chart, just simply check the candlesticks. Now, let's see how we can determine the next trend by observing some specific combinations of candles. First, we can see there are 2 down candles with long bodies appearing one after the other in a downtrend, indicating that the seller's strength are very strong and the downtrend is likely to continue. Second example, this down candle covers the upward movement of the previous 7 up candlesticks by its obvious long body. It means sellers show huge power, and the trend reversed to downtrend immediately. The third one is the one we mentioned before, the appearance of a long up wick candle at the top of an uptrend, followed by a long body down candle, usually means a high probability of a trend reversal. Now, let's see another common combination. We can see there are many long down wick candles in this bottom area. Even they are not continuous, but it still shows buyers keep pushing the price up. and the trend go up eventually. Several candles with long wicks showing at the bottom or in the top area is often a sign that the trend is about to end. It may not reverse immediately, but if you see this kind of combination, you can start preparing for your next trade. 5. How I get profit by simply observing candlestick pattern. Now, I will show you the practical way to make a profitable trade by observing candlestick pattern. It's very simple and has high possibility to make your trade profitable. First, this is S&P 500 4 hours chart. I notice there are two long bottom wick candles showing up. Then I draw a horizontal line at the open price of previous down candle. For me, this is a resistance line. Whenever the close price of a up candle breaks this line, I will make a buying order. And it happens very soon. I make a buying order at 38.41. Set stop loss at previous support line 36.60, so the maximum points I will lose is 181, make it as 180. I usually make the profit/loss ratio at 2 to 1, it means I have to make the profit point as 360 to make this order being suitable for my trading rules. So I set the profit point at 3,841 plus 360 is equal to 4,201, make it as 4,200. And this order make the expected profit in 6 weeks. Now I will show you how I use this method to get profit on Forex market. This is Euro to US dollar 4 hours chart. You can see there are two candlesticks with long down wick in the downtrend. As same as previous sample, first step, I draw a resistance line at the open price of previous down candle. When the close price breaks the resistance line, I make a buying order at 1.1720. Due to the previous support line is higher than the low price of the long bottom wick candle, so I decide to set the stop loss as 50 pips lower my buying price, at 1.1670. According to my trading rule, the profit pips should be as twice as loss pips. It means I should set my take profit price as 100 pips higher than my buying price, so it's 1.1820. This order only takes 8 days to take 100 pips profit. Actually, this simple trading strategy is suitable for every kind of market, such as stocks, currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, yield bonds, and so on. Making your trading plan as simple as possible. You don't need complex indicators, just spend more time on figuring out the combination patterns of candlesticks. Market is the reflection of human thoughts and mindsets. It has common patterns and the patterns always show up repeat. Noticing these patterns will make you get profit easily. Enjoy the trading. By the way, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you hate this video, please leave your comment to help me make better videos. Thank you for the support.